Question 4. This shape is called a cylinder. This one is like a traffic cone, so we call it a cone. In terms of the properties of a circle, a line that touches the outside of a circle is called a tangent. And the line from the centre of the circle to the outside of the circle is called a radius. In terms of the exam question, you will also need to know a line going through the centre of the circle, which is called a diameter, and a line that goes across but doesn't go through the centre, and that line is called a chord. Draw a line perpendicular to AB that passes through C. Parallel is like railway tracks and they're always the same distance apart, and perpendicular is where it makes 90 degrees. So the best way of doing this, I would suggest, is putting your protractor on your line and making sure that it comes down through 90 degrees at C. I would then mark it on where it meets 90 degrees, lift my protractor up and draw a line straight up. So it's going through C and it makes 90 degrees, so it's perpendicular. Right, a special type of name for this angle. A smaller angle less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. An angle bigger than 90 but less than 180, less than half a turn like this one, is called an obtuse. And the angle bigger than 180 degrees is called a reflex angle. When you're finding the volume of a shape, you're counting how many cubes you can see. There are no hidden gaps on this one. So if I was counting the top, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got on my top layer, I got 5. I then have 5 cubes underneath them, plus I can also see these two on the side, on 6 and 7. So on my bottom layer, I got 7, so in total I got 12. So the volume of this shape is 12 centimeters cubed. It's very important that you give the units of the answer, so it's centimeters cubed. Question 5, in terms of probability, choosing a day of the week with the letter B in it. So if we go through the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, there's no B in any of them, so the chance of picking one with the letter B in it is impossible. No rain falling in Wales during April next year. The chance of us getting no rain in through a whole month is very unlikely. It's not impossible, but in Wales we do get a lot of rain, so it is unlikely. Getting an odd number when a pair of dice is rolled once. With 3 odd numbers on the dice, 1, 3 and 5, so 3 out of 6, which is a half chance. So in terms of words for this question, it's an even chance. Right, in terms of this question,